Hi guys, it's Randee for Thunderhorse Descendant. I am here today with the last project from Bargain Bead Box. And we kind of just have a catch-all project, so it's early morning and I just woke up, so I'm just going for it. Here we are. Just like, I gotta get this done. We're just gonna go for it. Hopefully this air conditioner don't kick on. Take my sweater off. Yes, I'm wearing a sweater because I'm in the basement and it's like 68 degrees in here. So this is, you know, this was supposed to be like a chain that we were just going to attempt to wire wrap into a necklace. Easy peasy. I'm going to be using this 22 gauge, but instead of doing like a simple loop, I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a wire wrap loop. And I have some excess links over here and stuff, so I'm just going to throw that in. There's some extra stuff that we had. And what else do I got laying on this desk that I could use to kind of add in with this? It needs a little something, don't you think? I mean, it'd probably be fine. Well, I have these seed beads. I'll use these. Okay, we got a few seed beads. There we go. Okay, so I'm going to show you how I'm going to wire wrap. Most of you know how to do this. I'm just going to show you how I'm going to do it, and then I'm probably going to kick this into fast forward because sometimes this fast forward or this whole situation can take quite a long time when you're wire wrapping, which is why I was like, I better get down there and get this started. So I'm going to grab up a little piece of this 22 gauge wire. And first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to create a loop. Now, I will be connecting all of my wire wraps onto, you know, it's kind of up to you. Do I have jump rings? I do have jump rings, but I mean, I kind of like in this situation to connect them right on to the others, but we'll see. Yeah, that'll be fine. I gotta get my other plier. Here it is. I was making some earring kits for our live beading sale, which will be Tuesday. It's usually Monday, but because of the holiday, we moved it to Tuesday, which is a thing we normally do. So I was over there doing stuff. Okay, so I'm just going to trim that, and then I'm going to make sure I'm tucking all this wire in, because when you're doing a wire wrap, this is going to be a necklace. Obviously, we don't want any pokey parts. Put that on like that. And then add a bigger link. Might have to make a bigger loop here. Can't get a hold of it. There we go. So there's my link. And I'm just going to continue to do that throughout this. You know, I'm going to be honest with you. I think what I'll do is I am going to connect mine probably with jump rings at the end, because that's just, it's just, it takes too long. It takes me a lot longer time. Now it's up to you. I just prefer to do it with jump rings. So I'm gonna continue on here with this. Alright guys, here I am. I got all my little guys wired up, and I'm just going to connect them. So I'm going to use oval jump rings. I've got some smaller ones and some larger ones in case I need to connect to these larger links. Oh, goodness. And we will just connect them like so. And I do apologize, I've had a lot of coffee this morning. It might be a little bit shaky. I'm going to take one of these larger ones. And there's really no rhyme or reason to how I'm putting these together. Just basically creating a chain. And the hope is that I will have enough length for a necklace, which I'm pretty sure I will have. So it's Memorial Day weekend, and me and Jefferson have been working on our garden, and he is off at Menards this morning to get some fence posts for us to fence our garden in. So trying to get this all accomplished before he gets back, and we got to do some fencing. Keep the dogs out of there. And then, after the fencing, I'm probably going to start working on prepping for my craft show that I have in June. The one in North Dakota. So it's an away game. But I'm just gonna do some pricing and get things. I have these little boards that I made that Jeff made them for hang my necklaces on, and then I kind of hang them on those little, you know, those little tags where they hang up and you can put the price on. So I got to get some of those ready to go and figure out what exactly I'm gonna take. So I got that going on. That's going to be at the Turkey Barbecue in Annetta, North Dakota. So that is the largest outdoor turkey barbecue in the United States. We go every year, and it's on Father's Day weekend every year in June, and that's where Jeff's dad lives, so it works out pretty well. And we're going to do that. So I got to kind of get prepared for that. Also got to get prepared for the new bundle that we have coming out in June, which I'm pretty excited about. New bundle. I'm probably going to debut that this weekend. This weekend is also, Friday is my friend Amber from the bead store. You guys know Amber. Miss Amber's birthday, and we are going to have a party for her. We're going to have an earring making party at the store. I've invited everyone. Jefferson is going. He's going to come make earrings with us. And I think Bead Jeff is also going to come make earrings with us. And that'll be fun. So we got that on Friday, and then my aunt's coming into town for a Twins baseball game. I got a lot of stuff going on over here. On Saturday. Hopefully it doesn't rain. It's supposed to rain all 4 days here. We'll see what happens. So June, I was just looking at the calendar. June is pretty packed full of stuff, let me tell you what. But we are going to debut our... Let me see. We are going to debut our bundle probably on Saturday. Show it to you guys in unbundling, and then it'll launch on Tuesday, the following Tuesday, which I think is the 6th, which is also the same day we pick the winners of the FOC and the inspirational bead bundle and all that business. So me and Shannon will just be here being little busy bees, I tell you what. So that's why I'm like, we better get this done. Because, oh, also we got Soft Flex sent over a bundle. I tried to open it the other day, and then they were like, no. I think it was Rosanna. She was like, you better look at the paper. And then sure enough, the paper said, don't open this till May 31st. So I was like, oh. So we we had to postpone that. And then Jefferson brought the mail in here the other day, and I got the dollar bead box. I'm all full of beads over here, I'll tell you that much. Okay, so I'm out of links, but, well, there's one. I do have this here. Let me get this off of here. One. Alrighty. And I put this guy. We need a clasp. Wait, let's see how much length we got. Oh yeah, all kinds of length. Look at that. Smashing. I need a clasp. Or, yeah, a clasp. Losing my mind here. There we go. Ooh, my battery's getting ready to die. It's blinking at me. Just hold on. Just hold on, battery. Oh, it don't fit in here. Let me put it on this side. What the heck? Okay. Okay, put that there, and then we'll put this one on the end here. And we're donezo. It's looking pretty good. Zoom out a little bit without killing my battery here. There we go. Hey, I like it. So this would be the actual front here, and well, let's see. It'd be like right here would be the middle. So I could hang something there if I felt so inclined, or not, whatever. Looking like we got about 20 some inches, probably like 22, 24. 22 inches with room to spare. There we go. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is an easy peasy project for your catch-all business. I quite enjoy it. I would wear this. I love it. It would be good for layering. I hope that you are all having a lovely, spectacular, amazing beading day, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.